This week, two major fires broke out, both in Kampala at Crest Farm and at a garage in Jinja, claiming property worth hundreds of millions, along with some lives. This has now reignited debate among insurance observers on the uptake of fire insurance policies in this market, but generally, the important issues to consider when you choose to buy such a policy.
When you take up a fire policy, you're going to, say if you're taking up cover for your building, you're going to give me the value of your building. Or if you're including contents as well, you give me the value of the contents also. So that will form the basis of the cover that you've taken up. If, say, your property goes up in flames and you're found not to have adequately insured your property, then it means that you'll be assumed to be your own insurer for the difference for which you did not insure.
There are also scenarios of injuries and at times death of employees when businesses are gutted by fire. In this case, fire insurance alone is not enough, and you may want to consider taking a workers' compensation cover to protect yourself against life or injury compensation claims that may arise.
Workers' compensation policy is required by law, incidentally, and it's governed under the Ministry of Labour. And it requires that every employee should be insured while he's on duty.
But in the event that there is an injury for this person who is working and you don't have workers' compensation, the culprit or the relatives can sue you.
So for you as an employee, workers' compensation ensures that even in the unfortunate event of your demise, your loved ones at least get some sort of redress.
The deceased should be compensated 60 months of their salary. Whatever they've been earning for a month, they will multiply it by 60 months.
Accidents like fires at workplaces are a reality that can happen at any one time, irrespective of sophistication of the business's infrastructure. What's key, however, is whether business owners have the right financial covers like insurance to mitigate the loss. But more importantly, is whether government is proactive enough to enforce key policies like workman's compensation to protect employees always caught up in such incidents. Ingrid Nantege, NTV Business.